Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Christmas DIYs that I created with the Dollar Tree clear vases and other Dollar Tree items. So for the first DIY, I use this red charger as a base, and I love the chargers the Dollar Tree has. These chargers go for so much more in other stores, and it's only $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and they come in beautiful different seasonal colors and different designs, and I love this red especially for Christmas. Then I'm going to take these tall cylinder vases the Dollar Tree has in the $1.25 section and glue them down to the plate. I love these three vases. If you're lucky, you can find all three different sizes in your store. Sometimes they only carry one or two of the same sizes, but I was lucky in one of my stores they had all three different sizes, and I loved it because it's only $1.25. Next, I wanted to add some greenery to the charger plate. So I love these little mini pine picks the Dollar Tree has. They have them in dark green, and they also have them in light green. As you can see, the light green one is the one that's in my background, and you'll see me use those later on in another DIY. But I basically just put them down first, seeing how I wanted to arrange them, and then once I knew how I wanted to arrange them, then I glued them down with my hot glue gun. I always like to add red berries to greenery during Christmas, and Dollar Tree has so many beautiful packs of berries that you can get in different sizes and different types. Some of them just come with clear berries, some come frosted, and depending on the size is how much you'll get in the bag. So I decided to use the one that is a little bit bigger and has a little frost on it to add to my greenery on this charger plate. At first, I wasn't going to decorate the back of the charger plate because depending on where you're putting it at, you're not going to see it, but I ended up doing it anyway because I had some extra greenery and some extra berries, so I did it. But it's up to you if you want to decorate the back of it. Like I said, depending on where you are decorating it with, if you don't see the back, there's no point in wasting any material, but I was actually going to put it somewhere where you can kind of see the back, so I decided to do it. So when it comes to the candles, you want to get candles that are like 3 different height levels, and Dollar Tree doesn't have like 3 different white candles that are height levels. They do have some at Walmart, but I wanted to use everything from Dollar Tree, so I decided to use their LED candles. And they have one that's like a little bit shorter and it's fatter, and I used that for the first vase. And then they also had these two skinny ones that come a little bit taller, and I decided to use it for the last two vases. But what I did for the third vase, the taller vase, to make the candle seem a little bit higher, is that I took some salt, which kind of looks like snow, or you can use the fake snow the Dollar Tree has as well, and I poured some into that vase to add a little bit of height, and then added the candle to it. And for me, this gives the look of the candles being 3 different heights. Plus, I love using the LED candles because I can light them and have them all year round and not worrying about, you know, lighting them up and then having to, you know, they go to waste. I have these all year round, and just having the LED candles, I think, is just so much safer. So this is how I did it, but you can do it any way you like. But this is how I did it, using all the ones from Dollar Tree and adding the 3 different height levels. Then as I was looking at this decor, I felt like I needed a little bit more, so I grabbed this pick that I had from Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I took the flowers off of this pick and I decided to add it to the little greenery and berries, because I felt like I just needed something. I mean, it did look nice with just the berries and the greenery, but I felt like I needed a little bit of touch, like a little bit of more variety of things. So I decided to add the flowers to it. But again, you can leave it just as is, but I felt like it just needed a little bit of flowers. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I love the colors in it. You guys know I love decorating with greenery and red and white for Christmas. I just love how it turned out, and I'm using it in my living room. That's where I'm decorating at, in my living room, but it can go anywhere. It can go in your bedroom, your living room, the bathroom, anywhere you want. This is so versatile. You could put it anywhere, but I absolutely love how this came out. It looks so beautiful. I've seen things like this way more expensive in other stores, and I'm glad that I recreated it with Dollar Tree items. For the next DIY, I'm going to be using this bigger cylinder vase that you can get in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5. This is such a good deal because this size vase goes for way more in any of the stores, so I was glad that I found it in the Dollar Tree Plus section. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this paper towel holder and cut it to the size of the vase and put it in the middle of the vase, so that way when I fill it up with my ornament balls, I don't have to use so many ornament balls because it'll take up the space in the middle. Plus, I am going to add lights to this vase, and so I wanted to wrap the lights around this paper towel holder. The lights that I'm going to be using for this DIY is the battery operated twinkle LED lights that they have in the Christmas section. I then took my ornament balls that I shared with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, and I started filling up the vase. I wanted to put white and red ones in this vase because you guys know I love the colors of white and red when I'm decorating, so this one was going to be white and red. These greenery floral picks I share with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to be adding them to this vase. And this is how this DIY came out. I absolutely love it. I love the florals. I told you guys when I hauled it to you guys in my Dollar Tree haul video how beautiful these florals are and how realistic they look, and I couldn't wait to use them. I've been wanting to make a DIY decor piece like this for a while, and I was super excited that I was able to find this big cylinder vase at Dollar Tree for only $5, because like I said, and anywhere else they would go for way more. So I feel like this is such a good deal for this size vase, and it's just so pretty, and the fact that it lights up as well, I absolutely love this DIY. Dollar Tree has these vases in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3 that look similar to the smaller ones that you guys may have seen in the $1.25 section, but it's way bigger than it. It just has the same shape. I love the shape of it. I've actually used these vases for centerpieces for my daughter's quinceañera, and so I had a bunch of these on hand, so I definitely wanted to use them for decoration for Christmas time. So I got some smaller ornament balls to decorate in this one. These are not the smallest ornament balls you can get. There are some ornament balls at Dollar Tree that are smaller than this, so this one's kind of like in the middle of the other ones that I just used, and then the smaller ones. But the much smaller ones don't have the details on it like this one. These have more pretty details on them. So I wanted to fill some up and use them as decor, because you could take any vase that you love, any clear vase that you love, the size or the shape of it, fill it up with ornaments, and it looks beautiful as is, just like this. So I had to fill up some of them with white and red, and also I wanted to fill up some with some pink and gold, because I do decorate in my craft room, and you guys know my craft room is pink and gold. So I had to decorate 2 of the vases with pink and gold so that I can have them in the background when you guys see me do my videos. Then I had leftover ornaments from the bags that had, like, you know, gold and red in them, so I decided to just put them in this vase, you know, just a mixture of small ones and medium ones, and have it decorated in my bedroom, as my bedroom is decorated in gold and red. And then also you can take this same vase that's decorated with ornament balls, and you can add florals to it as well, like I did the previous one, and it could be pretty as well. This one I have it decorated in my bathroom, so you could do it either or. You could just have just the ornament balls in the vase and it looks pretty as is, or you can add florals to it and add a little touch to it. Either way, they look beautiful. You can do any color scheme you want. You could do the same size balls. You can do small and medium balls like I did with the gold and red ones. Either way, it'll come out looking pretty. For this last DIY, I'm going to be using these tall cylinder vases that are actually in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3 each, because they are taller than the ones that I originally showed you guys at the beginning. That's why they're in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $3, which is still a good deal because these are much more anywhere else. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take those greenery picks, those mini picks that I shared with you guys at the beginning of this video. For the other DIY, it's in the same color as you see in the background, and I'm going to add them to each cylinder vase. I'm starting with one of them, and then eventually I do add 2, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue it in place, because I thought it would stay in place, because I am going to fill these up with water, and I thought it would stay in place, but you guys will see that once I put the water in, it does not stay in place. But I do figure it out later on how to adjust it, because it is going to be floating in the water. You'll see when I start adding the different things in it, it's still floating, but I do eventually towards the end figure out how to fix it. So if you do this DIY and you see that your picks are starting to float, don't get discouraged, because later on at the end I'll let you guys know how to fix it so that they do stay to the bottom. I'm going to add berries to the top of this vase, and the berries I'm going to be using are the ones that I shared with you guys that are the smaller berries that doesn't have any frost on them, because I figured that these were the perfect ones to do for this DIY. I'm cutting off all the stems and putting them on the top of the water, and then I will fill up I'll put some more water in there until I get it to the level that I want it to be. And depending on how you guys want yours to look is how many cranberries or berries you would put in here. So I ended up putting enough to where it looked kind of like 2 thick layers, but you can put as many as you want. For the candles, I'm using these floating candles that you can find at Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I'm pushing it down, putting it on the berries, and that's when I realized that I wanted some more berries on it. So that's when I started adding a little bit more, but like I said, you guys can add a little, you know, a lot more, or a lot little as you guys want. I just wanted the look of it being a little bit thicker with the berries, because I love the look of red. And then I just kept adjusting the candle towards the middle until it was floating the way that I wanted to, and added a little bit of water to it, and just kept playing with it until it looked like how I wanted it to look. And this is how it turned out. This was another DIY that I was excited to make, because I've been wanting to make it for a long time. And as you can see right here, it shows that the green pieces are floating. What I did was, before when I went to go decorate in my bedroom next to the nutcracker, what I did was I took the candle out and I actually stuck my fingers through the berries and pushed the picks down, and then they were able to stay down. And I'm not sure if it's because the berries up top kind of maybe prevent water from moving, that it was easier. But after I had put the berries in it and then I pushed it down, it actually stayed in place. So that's something that you might want to do when you do this. You just push it down through the berries and it will actually stay in place. And it came out so cute. I really love this. Like I said, I've been wanting to make a DIY like this for a long time with just water and not the water beads. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite, and let me know what you guys are making for Christmas with Dollar Tree items, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.